What's up, guys? My name's Andres. This is the Ventura County Real Estate Show. This is part five, last part of our 5-part series on how to become a successful real estate investor. So everything leading up to this point has not been buying a home. We've gone over, getting ready, getting your finances ready, looking for leads, building your network. Those things are just getting ready for this last step. Now you're going to acquire the property. How are you going to do it? How are you going to buy the property? What's your strategy? So there's two main ways to acquire property strategies, if you will. There's the all cash option, and then there's the cash flow, and equity option. The all cash option is what it is. You're going with lump sum money. You got to know what you're going to do before you execute this part of the plan. So there's different amounts of cash. If you find a really good deal and you have enough money and you have money left over after the deal, you can buy the home cash, improve it, and sell it, right? You don't want to spend any of your time being a landlord. You want to move on to the next deal. You want to get your money back right away, right? So you're going to buy it, you're going to improve it, but then you're going to sell it as soon as you can so that you get that margin of profit as quick as you can. You can buy the home, not improve it. And so everything is all about getting it and then getting rid of it right away, right? You want to make your profit as fast as you can. And a lot of times it's good money. It's because you're going to be able to do a lot of deals. You can even, find someone that wants to sell their home, get it under contract, find someone who wants to do the other part, right? Hold it for longer, and then you sell them that contract, right? So that profit margin is even less, but you can do more transactions because you're dealing with less money out of your pocket and less hoops you have to jump through. So are you going to be a cash and, sell person, right? Or the flip side is you're going to, buy the property, not all cash, maybe all cash, but probably not all cash with conventional loan or whatever finance you're going to use. You're going to improve it and you're going to hold it. You're looking for that equity and that cash flow. You want to hold it for a long period of time so you can get as much money out of the property as you can. You are okay with being a landlord and going to get having to pay you rent and maintain the property. If you're lucky, you'll find a home that doesn't need improvement and you just buy it and hold it. So most of the time, people improve a property so they can get more rent out of the renters, right? People will pay more for a nicer home. Or if you don't want to hold on to it, you want to hold on to it for a longer period of time, but not, the total life of the financing you're going to have. You can, get a property, whatever improvements you have to or want to do on the property. You put a tenant in the property and you tell the tenant, in 5 years, I'll sell you this home, right? I'll rent it to you. I'll lease it to you for 5 years, right? I will consider that lease a down payment, and then you come with financing to take the home off my hands, right? That way you're able to do it again, and you can free up money quicker to move on to a better deal, a bigger deal, or more deals, right? So you have to know how you're going to acquire your property going in after you've done all the first 4 steps, right? This is the last one. What kind of investor are you going to be? All cash and get rid of it quick, or buy and hold on for a long time, and you get the most out of your cash flow and your equity. My name is Andres. This is the Ventura County Real Estate Show. I'm a real estate agent here in Ventura County. Drop me a line if you want information on the market, want to talk shop. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time.